Trinity Church, built in 1846. The Episcopal Diocese of New York City, still standing. See the cemetery. It's real. Right now, we're still in the financial district, an old cemetery. This thing's been here for years, man. Artwork. I love them when they do these arts. When they take the maps, they take the train maps. Do they do that in your city? They take the train maps and create art on them? I think that's so dope. Look at the Warhol, the Campbell soup can, Biggie Smalls. Right? That's pretty dope. Audrey Hepburn, right? I know my people. I know all my peoples, right? That's Audrey. Can't never forget that picture of Audrey. She was a classic beauty, timeless beauty. Shout out to all the classic beauties and the timeless beauties that's still existing out here, you know? Shout out to y'all. When you look at blocks like this, it just reminds me of England, man. I lived in London for a while, bro. And that streets like this just remind me of England. But look at this church, y'all. Look at this. Let's get to that. Look at the architecture on that. Look, everywhere in New York City, you can always find those, right? Police cameras are everywhere, bro. Making sure someone's safe. Look, it's always tourists. My city's always busy at any time of the day, man. You know what I mean? How's your city at this time? Look at this church. This church is amazing, right? I just want to cross real quick. Look at this church. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that church. It's dope.